Jamaica, a small island with a big personality.
Jamaica. We agree with them.
Beautiful, dynamic, and growing. A country with so much to offer and to be proud of. But there are still some things that we're not so proud of. Jamaica has become a very dirty place. It's dirty. Businesses provide jobs, services, and boost Jamaica's economy. But the pileup of garbage has become a challenge. Business owners, you are responsible for your garbage. Put your garbage in bags. Keep it in a secure place on your business premises until it is collected. Hire a haulage contractor. Don't dump it in public bins.
Nowhere your waste goes.
No dirty of Jamaica. No dirty of Jamaica.